Hey guys, it's Gaming Life Safety Guy here, and this will be a unboxing and review of a Silent Night fire alarm pull station. I just got this package today, and I've been waiting quite a while to get this, so let's get to the review and unboxing part. Alright, so I got this pull station on eBay for about $13, and I got it last week, came in the mail today, so let's open it up. Do not do this at home. It is a Silent Night all-metal pull station. I don't know the model number, but let's pull it. As you can see, I just pulled it. It's not spring-loaded, but yeah. Now I just gotta get my Silent Night key right here. Whoops. And you get your Silent Night key. Put it in the pull station, you open it. Whoa. Oh, okay. There's spiders in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's spiders. I think they're dead. Yeah, they're probably dead. But in order to reset this pull station, you're gonna have to flip up this and then close it. Let's look at the model number. You can see this is a Silent Night. Let me see, I'm trying to find model number. PS-DATK. So this is not addressable. This is a conventional pull station. As you can see, it has the two terminals, and these two things are for the excuse me, for the adjustable piece. Here's the button. It's pretty dirty. Outside's pretty clean. So it has your fire alarm lettering. Your key, it doesn't turn counterclockwise. It turns clockwise, which is weird. Most pull stations turn counterclockwise. This one turns clockwise. And it's made by Silent Night. I don't know how old this pull station is, but it's all made on metal, which is what I really like. And apparently it's explosion proof, but I don't really know. So yeah. I think the difference with the PS-DATK is it has this dual action piece, and I think that's just really it with this. So yeah, you can see you can put your brake rod in here, right in this little thing. This is the pull handle, and this is the key. These two things are for the dual action piece. So when I push this, you can see it moves. So yeah, one more time at this. And yeah. So this really concludes this unboxing. I am getting more pull stations in the mail. And yeah, so this has been a unboxing and a review of the Silent Night PS-DATK fire alarm pool station. I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching. Alright guys, I know I was going to end the video right there, but I'm going to start off with a test with this. So, yeah, the following is the test of the pool station. Alright guys, so I set up this fire alarm in the shed. It's all wired up and sturdy. I have it connected to my system center P2RL. I don't know what this model number is, but it's basically a white spectrular advance. So it's on low volume code 3. I do have tape over it because I have neighbors outside. I don't want to annoy them. And I have my cyanide pool station right here. It's all wired up and ready to rumble. So, without further ado, I have my cyanide key. So here we go. We're about to begin the test. So 3, 2, 1. The alarm is now active. I can't push it up. Get your cyanide key. Open it. Then you flip up this little thing. Now it's up. As you can see, here's the button. When I hold it, it does not make the alarm go into alarm. But when I let go of it, it makes it go back into alarm. Then after you pushed up the T-bar, simply lock it. And there you have it. So, yeah. That's the overview of this. Now, I'm going to end this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.